Ever wanted to build powerful, interactive diagrams like this for your web apps? What if you could generate it all automatically from a simple set of data? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build this beautiful interactive fishbone diagrams from scratch using the MindFusion JavaScript diagram library. We'll go from a blank canvas to a fully functional application. First, we need a canvas to draw on. A simple canvas tag in our HTML is all it takes. Then, in our JavaScript, we initialize the diagram view object using the ID of the canvas and classes from the MindFusion JavaScript diagram library. The main diagram is property of the diagram view, and we keep it as a class variable. We also do some styling to it and add a few customizations. The styling includes making the links thick and dark gray by default. We proceed with the NodeListView, which is the list with nodes to the left of the diagram. We've added a canvas for it as well, and we create the NodeListView object using the canvas ID. Then we add the nodes that we need in order to build any type of Ishikawa diagram. This is the code that creates the fishtail. It is the same we used to create the fishtail node for the NodeListView. And here again, the same code for creating the fish head. The difference is that we create those nodes with given bounds. They determine their size and location. When you drop them from the node list, you can do this manually. Every fish needs a spine. We'll create the head from an SVG file for a custom look, add an arrow shape for the tail, and connect them with a single link. And just like that, our diagram is starting to take shape. The label on top of the fish head is another node, a round rect shape filled with red brush. It has its z-index set to 100 though, which guarantees it will appear on top of all other nodes. Here is the array with the colors for the fish rib labels. Then we loop through the data array. We do it in two separate loops to create the top and bottom nodes, because their bounds have different y values. We get the main label from the first element of the array object. The second element is a nested array with these section labels. We create them and those smaller, shorter ribs in a separate method. Inside our helper function, we draw a diagonal link. Then, in another simple loop, we add each cause as a label to that link. The library automatically handles the positioning for us by using percentage values to specify the position of the link label along the diagram link it belongs to. But a static diagram isn't enough. Let's make it interactive. Watch how easily we can connect these UI controls to the diagram's style properties to give users full control. We have those two HTML input elements that are of type color, and when the user changes their value, we can get the new color in code and assign it to all selected diagram nodes as a background or node text color. And there you have it. We've gone from a simple array of data to a fully interactive diagram web application. We saw how to structure the data, render shapes and links programmatically, and add interactive styling. You can see how the JavaScript diagram library makes it easy to build complex visualizations. If you want to try it for yourself, You'll find a link to the free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your interest in MindFusion Developer Tools.